Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life. By Héctor García Server and Francesc Miralles, Walter Dixon, narrator. Bring meaning and joy to all your days with this internationally best-selling guide to the Japanese concept of Ikigai, the happiness of always being busy, as revealed by the daily habits of the world's longest living people. Only staying active will make you want to live 100 years. Japanese proverb. According to the Japanese, everyone has an Ikigai, a reason for living. And according to the residents of the Japanese village with the world's longest living people, finding it is the key to a happier and longer life. Having a strong sense of Ikigai, the place where passion, mission, vocation, and profession intersect, means that each day is infused with meaning. It's the reason we get up in the morning. It's also the reason many Japanese never really retire. In fact, there's no word in Japanese that means retire in the sense it does in English. They remain active and work at what they enjoy, because they've found a real purpose in life, the happiness of always being busy. In researching this book, the authors interviewed the residents of the Japanese village with the highest percentage of 100-year-olds, one of the world's blue zones. Ikigai reveals the secrets to their longevity and happiness: how they eat, how they move, how they work, how they foster collaboration and community, and, their best-kept secret, how they find the Ikigai that brings satisfaction to their lives. And it provides practical tools to help you discover your own Ikigai. Because who doesn't want to find happiness in every day? 10 powerful lessons from the book Ikigai. 1. Ikigai. In Japan, they refer to Ikigai as whatever gives you a reason for living, purpose. If it gets you out of bed excited in the morning, it's your Ikigai. 2. Find your Ikigai. 4 simple questions for finding your Ikigai. What are your passions? What are your strengths? What does the world need? What can you earn a living doing? Align your 4 answers and you'll find your Ikigai. 3. How to enjoy your life. Focus on enjoying your life instead of worrying about what could go wrong. Eat healthily. Wake up early. Smile every day. Do daily activity. Open your heart to your community. They're simple, but who says simple can't be enjoyable? 4. Happiness essentials. Happiness comes from having something to do, someone to love, and something to hope for. 5. The secret to a long life. The secret to a long life isn't what you think. It's found in finding joy and purpose every day. 6. Japan is one of the world's blue zones. There are 5 places in the world where people live the longest, blue zones. Many of Japan's people live to 100 years old. All thanks to the Ikigai practice. 7. Slow down. Don't be obsessed with doing everything faster, harder, and better. Ikigai helps you slow down and smell the roses. Escaping the never-ending need to do everything as fast as possible. 8. Aim to never retire. Studies show retirees are at increased risk of health problems because of a lack of purpose and daily activities. Aim to live a life so great you never seek to retire. 9. Ikigai isn't a job. Your Ikigai doesn't have to be your job. It's whatever gets you up in the morning. It could be your family or even your hobbies. 10. Ikigai Summary. Live a life of happiness by eating healthy, living a life of purpose, and never retiring. A joyous and prosperous life is sustainable through the practice of Ikigai. Remember this. May help you.